and welcome to At the Mama That Does It All. I'm really excited today to share with you one of my favorite things to prepare for my family, especially during the winter months, and that is my veggie soup. So this is a great way for even your picky eaters to get their veggies in. So this is very simple. We're going to start off with some yellow squash. We're going to go ahead and cut that up. I've also already pre-washed all of this, and I've used a fantastic spray that I found at the grocery store that I will show a picture of at the end of the video. It makes cleaning all of my veggies and fruits so much easier, so stay tuned for that. So the next thing we're going to do is I have my cabbage here, and we're going to just cut it up into bigger chunks. I love adding cabbage to the veggie soup because once it's done boiling, it gives it a very nice creamy texture, and my kids really love that. Alright, so next we have potatoes. I mean, every soup needs potatoes. We love potatoes. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting them up in fours, and then we're getting them ready for the soup. Alright, so now I have my bowl here. I've got all the pre-cut carrots, I have the potatoes, I have the cabbage, and also the squash. Alright, so I already had the water boiling while I was chopping everything up, and now what we're going to do is we're going to use these seasonings here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add in 2 packets of this chicken flavored powder into the boiling water, and you're also going to add in half of an onion. You're also going to go ahead and add in any other seasonings at this time. I'm using garlic powder, and I'm also going to add in some sea salt. If there's any other seasonings that you like or that your family prefers, you can add them in at this time. Alright guys, so now that the chicken powder and the onion have been boiling together, I'm going to go ahead and add in all the veggies. So what we're going to do here is we are going to jam pack this pot. We're going to add in all the vegetables. It doesn't matter if the cabbage softens faster than the potatoes or the carrots, because what we're going to do is we're going to let this boil and cook long enough for the majority of these veggies to start to fall apart in this soup, and that is exactly what we want. This is what is going to make it kid friendly, because now your children are going to eat this soup, and even if it's just the broth that they decide that they want to sip on, it's going to be jam-packed with all the nutrients from these veggies. Alright guys, I know you're probably thinking this is going to overflow. Look at all them veggies, but no. Once these start to cook and soften, there's going to be more room in this pot, so don't worry. And we're going to go ahead and set it on low heat for about 15 minutes, cover it up, and then we're going to come back and check on it, and we're going to add the final vegetable. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my spinach. My family really loves spinach, so I'm going to pack it in there. And now after I add all the spinach, I'm going to let it cook for an extra 15. And now it is so ready to go, guys. All the spinach, all the veggies seem to continue to fall apart in this soup. So whether your kids decide to eat the veggies or just have the broth, it's going to be jam-packed with vitamins, guys, and that is exactly what we want. Now I'm pairing it with some Mexican rice to give it a little extra flavor, and now it's up to you. You can add some lime, salsa, slices of avocado, whatever you want to do. It is still going to be extra yummy and perfect for the winter. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you give this veggie soup a try, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join my family. Thank you so much for watching.